How to check reviews on your Facebook page. If you are concerned about knowing the reviews that you are having on your Facebook page, this video is for you. On your Facebook app, let's first try and locate our Facebook page by navigating on the top right corner where you see our profile menu and tap on it. Then proceed to tap on pages among the list of options here. This will land on an interface like this with a list of options. Make sure to select the page that you are interested to know the page review. In this case, I'm interested to know the Hair Now Africa. With this selected, allow a bit of moment to finish loading, and there you are. Now you are on your Facebook page. On the top left corner, you see this profile menu. Proceed to tap on it. This will make sure now you land on the page interface where you can see the page review. In this case, when you scroll down a bit, you could see the ratings, into bracket 13 reviews. In the event you want to see any further information about it, you can proceed to tap on it, and that's it. You could see the list of reviews that were made on this page. If you want to like it or comment or even send it to any, you can then proceed to do any of the things you desire to do. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider to subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.